Imagine you're out in the wilderness, the wind is howling, and the great unknown is knocking on your door. Fear not, because we've got the ultimate survival arsenal lined up for you. Today, we're embarking on a journey into the heart of survival gear excellence. We've come through the vast store of Amazon to uncover the top 5 essential survival gear and gadgets that can turn your next adventure into an epic tale of triumph. Starting our list with number 5, we have kept emergency bivy. In a world where preparedness is key, the emergency bivy stands as a beacon of safety. It's not just gear, it's peace of mind that you can carry with you wherever you go. More than just a piece of gear, it's a reliable shelter that prioritizes your safety and peace of mind during unexpected situations. Crafted with durability and practicality in mind, the emergency bivy is made from high-quality materials that provide insulation and protection against the elements. Its compact and lightweight design ensures that it won't weigh you down, making it an essential addition to your emergency preparedness kit, camping gear, or outdoor adventure supplies. Versatility is a key feature of the emergency bivy. It's not just a shelter, it's a multifunctional tool. The reflective material not only retains body heat but also makes you more visible to rescuers in low-light conditions. Its waterproof and windproof properties ensure that you stay dry and protected from the elements, adding a layer of comfort in challenging situations. Ease of use is paramount when it comes to emergency gear. The emergency bivy is designed for quick deployment. Simply unfold it and crawl inside to experience instant protection from the elements. The roomy design accommodates individuals of various sizes, providing a snug yet comfortable fit. Compact and lightweight, the emergency bivy is designed for on-the-go readiness. It easily fits into your backpack, glove compartment, or emergency kit, ensuring that you're always prepared for unexpected situations. Moving on to number 4, we have kept Survival Hatchet. The Survival Hatchet is your trusty ally, offering a blend of durability, functionality, and portability. Whether you're a seasoned outdoors enthusiast or a weekend adventurer, this hatchet is an indispensable part of your gear, ready to face the challenges of the wild. Crafted from high-quality materials, the Survival Hatchet is a sturdy and durable tool built to withstand the rigors of outdoor adventures. Whether you're chopping firewood, clearing a trail, or building a makeshift shelter, this hatchet is designed to handle the demands of survival scenarios. Versatility is at the core of the Survival Hatchet's design. With a sharp and durable blade, it excels at cutting, chopping, and splitting tasks. The compact size and lightweight construction make it easy to carry, ensuring it's always within reach when you need it most. The hatchet's multifunctional design often includes features like a hammerhead for pounding tent stakes or nails, further expanding its utility. The Survival Hatchet is more than just a tool, it's a symbol of self-reliance. Its ergonomic handle provides a comfortable and secure grip, allowing you to tackle various tasks with precision. The hatchet's portable design makes it a crucial addition to your camping gear, bug-out bag, or outdoor adventure kit. Moving on to number 3, we have kept emergency food rations. Introducing emergency food rations, your lifeline in times of crisis, meticulously crafted to provide sustenance, nutrition, and peace of mind during unforeseen emergencies. More than just survival food, these rations are designed to be your reliable source of energy and nourishment when traditional food sources are scarce. Crafted with durability and long shelf life in mind, emergency food rations are typically available in compact, airtight packaging that preserves the quality of the contents. These rations often consist of calorie-dense bars or meals that require little to no preparation, ensuring convenience and ease of use during emergencies. Portability is a key feature of emergency food rations. The compact and lightweight design allows for easy storage in emergency kits, bug-out bags, or any location where quick access to sustenance is crucial. This makes them an ideal solution for various situations, including natural disasters, power outages, or evacuation scenarios. Nutrient density is a top priority in the formulation of emergency food rations. Moving on to number 2, we have kept Survival Card. Introducing the Survival Card, a compact, all-in-one tool that packs a punch in the world of preparedness. This card-sized multi-tool is designed to be your versatile companion, fitting seamlessly into your wallet or pocket, ready to tackle a variety of survival tasks when needed most. Crafted from high-quality materials, the Survival Card is a lightweight and durable multi-tool that combines functionality with portability. Despite its slim profile, it offers an array of features to assist you in various survival situations, making it a valuable addition to your everyday carry. This little card contains knife edge, serrated edge kit opener, screwdriver, ruler, magnifying glass, fire starter, and many more useful tools. Moving on to number 1, we have kept Portable Cook Kit. Introducing the ultimate culinary companion for food enthusiasts on the move, the Portable Cook Kit. Crafted with the adventurous spirit in mind, this compact and innovative kitchen set is your ticket to gourmet meals wherever your journey takes you. Unfolding a world of possibilities, our Portable Cook Kit boasts a sleek and lightweight design that belies its incredible functionality. The space-saving collapsible design ensures that you can carry a fully equipped kitchen in the palm of your hand. From a compact stove with adjustable flame control to a versatile set of nesting pots, pans, and utensils, we've thought of everything. Setting up your mobile kitchen has never been easier. The kit unfolds seamlessly, transforming into a fully functional cooking station in mere minutes. With its intuitive design, even novice chefs can confidently create mouth-watering dishes on the go. That's going to be all for today's video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos like this.